Do you want to sound more authentic? Do you want to pronounce correctly so people understand you? This video is for you. Hi, I'm Thibaut with Pronounce.com. I'm your English fluency coach, and I'm here to help you break the language barrier. Today we're going to do an exercise called sound repetition, where we're going to be practicing two sounds that are often confused by non-native speakers. And those are the sounds and a. As in men, and a as in main. Men and main. The only difference between these two words is that sound. You want to talk about Main Street and you say Men Street, well, that's kind of weird. People might get confused. We're going to be working with what we call minimal pairs, where words are almost the same except for that one sound change. So they sound similar, but they're really different, and making the difference is key. You're going to repeat after me, we're going to have a beat, and all you have to do is follow my lead. First, we're going to read a whole list of words, and then a whole list of a words, and then we're going to go back and forth between the lists. The sound is considered a short sound, or it's also called a lax sound. So it's a relaxed sound, and it's it's kind of central, somewhere between the e and the somewhere in the middle there. And it's a stable sound. The sound doesn't change, whereas the a sound moves. It's called a diphthong. Diphthong is when we change the position during the sound. So it goes from that same first sound, and it glides over to the e sound. So a. Think of it in two parts. First one is repeat The second one is a, repeat. Perfect. First, we're going to do a whole list of and then a whole list of a, and then we're going to do both lists by jumping back and forth between the words. We're going to do it slowly at first and then faster. Repeat after me on the sound. Wet. Bread. Fell. Get. Let. Pen. Sell. Tech. Test. West. Best. Debt. Edge. Men. Met. Special. Tell. Trend. Great. Now let's do the other side with the a's. Wait. Braid. Fail. Gate. Late. Pain. Sail. Take. Taste. Waste. Based. Date. Age. Main. Mate. Spatial. Tail. Trained. Great. Now let's read the whole first column without interruption. Are you ready? Together. Wet. Bread. Fell. Get. Let. Pen. Sell. Tech. Test. West. Best. Debt. Edge. Men. Met. Special. Tell. Trend. Now the second column. Wait. Braid. Fail. Gate. Late. Pain. Sail. Take. Taste. Waste. Based. Date. Age. Main. Mate. Spatial. Tail. Trained. Okay, now let's go back and forth between the two columns. Here we go. Wet, wait. Bread, braid. Fell, fail. Get, gate. Let, late. Pen, pain. Sell, sail. Tech, take. Test, taste. West, waste. Best, based. Debt, date. Edge, age. Men, main. Met, mate. Special, spatial. Tell, tale. Trend, trained. Now let's do this twice as fast. Are you ready? Here we go. Wet, wait. Bread, braid. Fell, fail. Get, gate. Let, late. Pen, pain. Sell, sail. Tech, take. Test, taste. West, waste. Best, based. Debt, date. Edge, age. Men, main. Met, mate. Special, spatial. Tell, tale. Trend, trained. Okay, one last time, a whole read through together, back and forth. Here we go. With me. Ready? Here we go. Wet, wait. Bread, braid. Fell, fail. Get, gate. Let, late. Pen, pain. Sell, sail. Tech, take. Test, taste. West, waste. Best, based. Debt, date. Edge, age. Men, main. Met, mate. Special, spatial. Tell, tale. Trend, trained. Great job. Sounds good, doesn't it? If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our new content. For a more immersive experience and to make quick progress, visit Pronounce.com and learn all about the Pronounce headset, the most direct way to English fluency. Thank you for watching.